What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you the fuel storage key on the brand new airport map. Let's do it. This one is located right over here in, obviously, fuel storage in the bottom left side down here. This little room is the one that we can go into. Looks like this from afar. When we use the key here and head inside, there's nothing on your right, but on your left, there's 3 different containers: a dock box, military computer, and a safe, as well as some general loose loot that's usually of a mid to higher end. Checking out the dock box right next to us, we get a stamp. That's okay. And to our right, let's check out the military computer. This one, yeah, nothing crazy. And I don't have high hopes for the safe, but here we go, electronic safe. Oh, that could be juicy. Yeah, that's okay, I guess. Nothing too crazy. Obviously, we're not inside of the main area just yet. This is the outskirts, so you can expect loot to be of a, well, lower tier. Finally, obviously, whatever loot is on the bed here is worthwhile grabbing, as it's usually of a mid to higher grade, but that's really that. Nothing but purples. It's okay. Not the craziest key that we've seen, but hopefully the price reflects that. But yeah, do let me know if you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.